Hi, I'm Maxine and I just wanted to show you today a small video on the most underrated tool in drawing, and I reckon that is the humble sharpener. I use this particular brand. It's called the Automatic. It has been absolutely brilliant when I've been doing my coloured pencil drawings. I can keep the coloured pencils super sharp, and it doesn't seem to break the leads at all. I can use it for graphite pencils as well, which I'm going to show you in the video. And if you are a fan of cutting your pencils with knives, sharpening them with knives, then you can use these tiny little holes for sharpening the lead that you have exposed without obviously damaging the wood bit that you've chiseled away there. So let's crack on with the video and see what this is all about.
I just wanted to say I'm not sponsored by these guys, I just like the brand. So this is the Automatic long point with 2 entrances for your main pencils, 1 and 2, and then it's got 2 extra holes for when you want to whittle your pencils down and use the sharpener just to sharpen the leads. This is really important to have a super sharp pencil. Mainly when you're doing coloured pencil drawings, if you don't have a sharp pencil, then you're going to really struggle to get all those details, and you're also going to struggle to get into the tooth or the grain of that paper. So you've got to get into that grain of paper, otherwise you're going to have a really strange kind of texture to your drawings, unless you're going for that kind of look. But if you really want that smooth look, then you're going to have a really super sharp pencil. This is what I mean by the whittled pencils, and the leads, obviously some people like them really super long so they can use them on the side and get a really nice smooth shade. So the 2 smaller holes on the sides of the sharpener, this one in particular, they are really handy for making those leads super sharp without trying to use the knife to sharpen those bits. It's more handy, I would say, for pencils that are coloured pencils, like a wax based or an oil based, because then you don't end up snapping the leads. They're so fragile when they're that length. So using a sharpener, you've got a little bit more control. I hope I'm not talking too much and that it's making sense. You can kind of see that it's made a nice little point. It's definitely better with coloured pencils. I really needed to whittle the wood away just that little bit more, so that then the lead was just a little bit longer and fits in there a bit better, but it works okay. Now, when you open up this one, it's got quite a lot of space for your sharpenings, but I do tend to have a box close by which I can just tip into every now and then when it gets a little bit full. Otherwise, you struggle to actually sharpen the pencil because the sharpenings get really stuck and you can't push the pencil round any further. The blades, I just noticed, are actually at the end of the sharpener. Can you see them in that little tray there? Well, you can undo the little screws, put the new sharpened blade on there, and I guess you could get the other ones sharpened again. I think that's about all I can explain about this sharpener.
I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more interesting videos about drawing utensils, if you want to see more videos about drawing tools, then let me know what tool you would like me to show you next in the comments below, and I will definitely get back to you and maybe even make a video for you as well.
So there you have it, the humble sharpener. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon. Bye!